Inoreader lets you sort and group articles your way. Let's explore how each option can shape your reading experience. To get started, click the More button when browsing your newsfeed, a single feed, or a folder. By default, articles are sorted by newest first, so the latest posts appear at the top of your timeline. If you prefer reading in chronological order, switch to oldest first to follow articles exactly as they were published. Magic sorting is a pro feature that brings the most popular and relevant articles to the top, perfect when you want to focus on what matters most to you. You can choose a default sorting option in your preferences to keep your setup consistent. Article grouping adds visual structure when you're dealing with large volumes of content. By default, grouping is turned off. Group articles by feed to keep each source neatly separated. Or group them by date for a clear, day-by-day overview of what's new. Mix and match sorting and grouping to fit your reading style. With Inoreader, you're always in control.